We're gonna make a Grinch cocktail with my new Barsys Smart Coaster. This thing's your bartender. First thing we're gonna do is go into the app. We're gonna select our drink and we're gonna hit craft. Place glass. Once we place the glass on there, it goes white. Now you're ready to pour. First thing up, 1.5 ounces of vodka. It goes around, and when you poured your 1.5 ounce, boop, green. You never have to worry about over pouring or under pouring again. Blue curacao, 1/2 ounce. Boop. Fresh pineapple juice, 4 ounces. Boop. 1/2 ounce simple syrup. Boop. And last, 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Boop. Pouring complete. Ice. Good shake. Oh, look at that. Grinchy Grinch. Let's give it a try. Oh my gosh. I suck at making cocktails. I'm no bartender. This made it so easy. The app is completely free, which is amazing. You can add all the ingredients you have on hand and it'll tell you what you can make with what you have, or you can just search a list of all kinds of different recipes. If there's a drink you want me to try to make on this, put it in the comments and I'll make it for you. At this price, it's super cheap. This is gonna make an amazing Christmas gift. If you wanna grab them before they sell out, I'll put a link.